Hello, I'm John Woodward. I'm here to talk to you today about British Standard 8599, provision of first aid and first aid kits on demolition sites. To determine how many first aiders you require on site, you need to look at the risk assessment. You need to consider the complexity of the job, the number of people employed, and ask yourself, what if? Would you be comfortable working on a demolition site without full first aid provision? I'm sure the answer is no. The contents of first aid kits have changed from January 2012. What was acceptable before that date is no longer acceptable, based on historical data from the type of accidents occurring over the last few years. There are three things I want you to remember. 1, review the first aiders within your company. If you have a number of appointed person first aiders, consider putting them on the course to become full first aiders. Secondly, look at all the first aid kits on site to make sure they comply with the new British Standard. And thirdly, emphasise to the first aiders on site it is their duty to ensure that any products used from the first aid kit are replaced and recorded after use. First aid could save your life. Make sure that you get it right.